right, good evening, everyone. It is around 8 p.m. in Las Vegas, and this is going to be a tour of a double queen standard room at Aria Resort and Casino, room number 5268 on the 5th floor. Okay, just keep in mind this room has been lived in for a few days now. I think this is our 5th day here in Las Vegas, and this room had 3 people staying in it, including 2 children, my niece and nephew. So there's a lot of stuff everywhere, despite the fact that it has been cleaned recently. Okay, so walking in to your left in this room, you have 2 big closet type spaces and some cabinets here. Let's open the first one. I'm not sure what I'm gonna find. Just a some hangers, a towel rack, and some dirty clothes down there that the children probably threw that in there. Nice little shelf area for you to put whatever you want. I assume some people put like ice bucket and drinks and stuff here maybe. Some art on the wall. And then on this side, you have a robe, a ironing board, an iron, another luggage rack, and then some more hangers. Very big, very spacious. I don't believe there's anything in these cabinets here. Let's see. Oh, well, it's stuff that, you know, the kids and everyone has put, but they've loaded this place up. We have been here 5 days, so yeah. Anyway, on the right when you first enter is the bathroom area. So you have this shower area and then like a connected bathtub area. Let me open it and show you guys. So it's like a walk-in shower, nice, big, very spacious, little seat right there. And then just beyond that, very large tub for you to soak in if you want. Some amenities provided right there. And then down here, you have a trash can, some towels, cabinet. What else we got? Let's see. 2 double sinks. And then you have nice big mirror, lights at the end of each side of the big mirror, and then like a vanity type mirror. Some tissues provided as well. And then beyond this door right here is the toilet area. And there's a phone in the toilet area. Don't ask me why. Okay, then you come here, you have a nice big mirror for you to check yourself out, make sure your outfit is right before you leave for the night. To the right, you have this central air controlling unit, nice and modern. We have this fridge that I ordered. That doesn't come standard, so you have to ask them for it. Very crowded, but right now, but nice big desk area with the phone, TV remote right there, lamp, some things on the side for you to plug in, shelf area below that, another trash can here, TV of course, and then you have the mini bar right there. I believe there's some stuff where if you need to connect to the TV, there's some stuff, plugs where you can plug in wires and stuff. You can charge with the, I think it's kind of dark, but yeah, you can plug in your charger there if you wanted. Mini bar, some mini bar stuff up here, ice bucket, some glasses, some tongs, a lamp, and then you get this nice seat, very comfortable with a side table attached to it. On this side you have 2 queen beds. And then in the middle, you have this little nightstand thing with a lamp, some buttons on the side to control the lighting. It says lamp, accent, good night. Same thing on this side. A phone. You get this iPad that you can do a lot of different things with. You can control the lights, control the drapes. You can order food. You can order room service. You can order food at the food hall and then go pick it up. And then here you have 3 things that pull out this little, I guess just like a little stand you can pull out. And then below that, I believe, is a cabinet. Yeah. And below that is a safe. So that's where the safe is, in the room. And then you just have the other bed here. The beds have 2 lights above them each with this lamp in the middle. I forgot to show you guys the buttons here, so let me do that real quick. So this is how you control like the drapes in the room, the shears and the blackout curtains, open, close, and stop if you want to stop them somewhere in the middle of opening and closing. There's buttons here, just like the main light buttons, but then there's a privacy button, a service button if you want your room clean. If you're heading out and you need your room clean, just hit that button. If you don't want anyone coming into your room for any reason at all, hit the privacy button. And then the master on-off switch that'll turn off all the lights or turn on all the lights. And then finally, we have the view. Let me just show you guys real quick how these buttons work. So let's say I wanted the shears closed. I can hit the close button and you'll see the shears are coming. And then I'm gonna say, let's stop them. I like them right where they are. Apparently that doesn't work. Let me try one more time. Stop. It will not stop. Okay. So how about we open them instead? Apparently open makes them stop, at least while they're closing. So I hit open again, and then they start opening. So as they're opening, let's walk to these nice, large floor-to-ceiling windows and check out the view. It's not much of a view. We're on the 5th floor. I mean, it is still pretty nice. But yeah, you can see Vidara. I'm trying to get it. Yeah, Vidara right there. That's the Bellagio. And then over here is Cosmo. Yeah, there you go. Cosmo right there. Some of the roof area. I believe that's where like people drop you off to check in at the lobby. That's like the roof that covers it to give people some shade as they're getting out of the taxi. And yeah, it's not a strip view, so it's like the back view. But it's still a pretty nice, decent view. Well, there you have it. This has been a room tour of a standard double queen bed room at Aria Resort and Casino. Thanks for watching.